Okay, so I was sent these stringed fairy lights to test out, and I have been playing with them all day long. I can't stop putting them in places. As you can tell here, I just kind of threw them on top of one of my bushes. Look how much it lights up. This is way beyond, I have the string twinkle lights, okay? This set is awesome. Let me tell you about these. These things have got the 8 modes, which is great. I love that, but they're bright. Way brighter than any other string lights I've ever used. They are waterproof. Hello, you can put them outside. And to top it off, they have a built-in timer. When you click it on, it's going to stay on for 6 hours at a time. Once that 6 hours is up, it's going to go ahead and shut off for 18 hours. It has a built-in timer. I mean, I put it everywhere in my home. And of course, you get the 12 pack with these, so you can put them everywhere. I love the different modes. I love how bright they are. And I absolutely love, one, that they're waterproof, and 2, that they have that built-in timer. I'm not having to go around to each set of lights around everywhere in my home and push a button. I recommend these.